Hi, I'm Alexa Sims, and this is my Module 15. My thoughts about gamification of education. I think that it's a really good thing. I feel like it should be incorporated in all classrooms for all subjects because it's a different way of teaching your kids, and it's more than just lecture and paper pencil notes or typing notes or videos. It's getting them to interact in a game or in a way and getting them to even work in groups a lot of times. It's also a way to um, quiz them and to get an understanding of how you should teach that kind of a class or that class in particular. It's also a good way to see what kind of information they're obtaining and what you need to touch on again. So I do feel that they can be used to teach students content and that they're not just a way to entertain. Yeah, they are a good way to entertain your class, but at the same time, they are learning and they're learning in a more fun way. So, I will use games. Found a lot of them actually looking for the game that I was going to do and put together for this class. I saw a Cash Cab one that looked really fun. I saw a Wheel of Fortune and a Family Feud one that also looked really fun that I'll probably incorporate into my classroom. Um, the template that I used that I liked the best was the Jeopardy Lab template because um, not only was it easy to use, it was also uh, very not necessarily easy, but it's easy to show the kids because it's a popular one and a lot of people know the game Jeopardy and it gave you examples. I looked at the Family Feud one a lot and it was kind of difficult and putting together the different slides was a little bit confusing just because you had to use the right slide to be able to um, have the game go smoothly or have it go the way that it was supposed to. So those were some problems I experienced was that it was kind of confusing to use. It was free download though. The Family Feud one was you just have to really put it together. And I spent a lot of time doing the Jeopardy one, but I spent a lot of time looking at the Family Feud one also. So some examples of ways you could use interactive PowerPoint games would be with any subject you can take your questions and with some of them you can make a multiple choice. With the Family Feud one, it is um, multiple answers to a question. So if you asked like what breed of dog do most people own? And people said like German Shepherd, Dalmatian, like things like that. And then it would pop up with the correct answers. And if you said a wrong one, then it would have the X. So thanks for watching.